Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Actually, it is the very first video of my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to run Python code from scratch. Okay, let's get started. It actually has 4 steps in total. And first, we need to download and install the Python interpreter. Here, I recommend installing Anaconda, which is a popular data science platform and has many pre-installed commonly used packages. And then we need a Python IDE such as PyCharm, which is short for Integrated Development Environment, or you can download a text editor such as Sublime Text. And third, we need to download the dependent packages, and finally, we can run the Python code. Okay, let's download the Anaconda first. We open the browser. This is the official website of Anaconda. If you are in Windows system, just click the download button to download the latest version of Anaconda. And if you are in Linux or Mac, just click the corresponding icon and select the version you need. So this is the installer of Anaconda. We double click and open. Here you can modify the installation directory. And here we just change nothing. My computer has already installed Anaconda. I will just close the installer. And next, we download the professional text editor Sublime Text. It is a free software, I think. We search for the sublimetext.com and then just click the download and install. I will show you the difference between opening Python code with Notepad and Sublime Text. It is a Python file. First, we open with Notepad. Then we open with Sublime Text. And you can see Sublime Text looks more professional and with many functions like code highlighting. Now the third step, we are going to download the dependent package. In this code, for example, there are 2 dependent packages we need to install, matplotlib and numpy. Now we click the Windows button, search for Anaconda prompt and open. We type pip install matplotlib to install in the matplotlib package. Pip install numpy to install the numpy package. As you can see, I have installed these 2 packages before, but if you don't, you will see a progress bar. Finally, we can run the Python code. Here we have a file called test.py on desktop, which is a Python file named test, which draws a 3-dimensional figure. We open the Anaconda prompt. We use the cd desktop to enter the desktop and type python test.py to execute the program. So you can see that result. So this is the end of this video. By the way, this video also has a more detailed teaching document covering some potential problems you may face, and link can be found in the description down below. If you think this video is useful, please leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you won't miss something new. Thanks guys.